Shri Gaurav Gautam Ji, Minister of State for Youth Empowerment and Entrepreneurship, Sports, Law and Legislative, State Government of Haryana, Professor Dr. Dinesh Kumar, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Gurugram University, Dr. Rajiv Kumar Singh, Registrar, Gurugram University, Dr. Amarjit Kaur, Dean Student Welfare, Dr. Komal, Director Youth Welfare, Dr. Kirti Mankotia, Organizing Secretary, dignitaries, judges, principals, teachers, and staff, contingent in charges, participants, volunteers, and beloved students. It gives me immense pleasure to present the report on just concluded 5th Gurugram Youth Festival 2024, Shankhnad 5. This was a festival of celebrating youth power, youth empowerment, and the rich cultural heritage of Haryana across 45 varied events that ran across 5 stages in 3 days. This mammoth event, hosted by JK Business School, Gurugram, was only possible through the relentless efforts of JK Business School faculty, staff, students, and the guidance of Gurugram University Organizing Committee, as well as all of you who have been present all through these 3 days. We hosted more than 1,000 visitors in a span of 3 days during the youth festival. It was high energy, vibrant and colorful immersion into music, dance, theater, literary and fine arts. The participation was spread across 5 stages on the campus. So the overall event on entire these 3 days was taking place on 5 different stages in this campus at 5 different venues. The day 1 saw 257 participations across 21 events covering choreography, solo dances, Sanskrit play, group song, classical and western music, poetic recitation, fine arts and rangoli. The day saw many exceptional performances admired by all the dignitaries. They too saw over 200 participations again across 19 events covering rituals, folk songs, skits, mime, mimicry, one-act play, elocution, debate, folk song, photography and craft. It was a wonderful day that filled the campus with youthful, enthusiastic energy. The day 3 saw over 200 participations across 4 different events covering group dance, journal and Haryanvi. Along with that, we had another events taking place on stage 2, which was Qawwali and orchestra. The day was filled with high energy and enthralling performances, which was nicely reciprocated by the audience and the judges too. And first time ever, just to tell everyone, all the audience present here, first time ever an anchoring competition was introduced in Youth Festival, which happened at Gurugram University campus a day before the final event of Youth Festival. So we should give a big round of applause for this. It's a new initiative of Youth Festival. Moreover, the conviction to win, the zest to participate, the splurge of creativity, and the never say die attitude flowed through every corner of the campus, whether it was in the music, the dance, the literary, or the craft. It was the spirit of passion and the spirit of competition, and it was matched by a superbly talented set of judges, most of whom were on the extreme end of excellence in their respective fields. A big round of applause for judges too. To the students, faculty, staff of JK Business School, let me just say, you have shown extraordinary strength, and I am honored to stand here today, proud of everything. And you did in past 3 days. I would like to thank the media and all our partners also for making this thrilling experience over the top. I am highly thankful to Honorable Vice Chancellor Professor Dr. Dinesh Kumar ji for trusting us to host this mega and prestigious event of the Gurugram University. Sir, your leadership is impeccable, and we are sure that under your leadership, Gurugram University and cohort affiliated colleges will grow in leaps and bounds. Now, JK Business School has a never before confidence by which it can take up every possible challenge. Let me assure that we will be open to have more academic and co-curricular activities with Gurugram University in future. Recently, I had the privilege of being part of 140th JK Founders Day at JK Kanpur, which fills us with pride that we belong to a group which has contributed proficiently to nation building over the generations and yet continuing with a great zeal. Like the major milestones of JK Group, this youth festival will remain an important milestone in the history of JK Business School. Thank you. Jai Hind.